So I just got to Las Palmas, Gran Canaria, which is Spain. It is about a 15-hour flight. And today's day one. It is November 14th. And I'm getting ready to head to, I'm gonna take a bus to the marina and then get on the sailboat there, and then we'll be there until November 20th. And then I will set sail across the Atlantic 2,800 miles to St. Lucia. So it's part of a race called the Atlantic Race for Cruisers, or the ARC. All right, so I'm at the right place. Forget what's this marina called?
It's Las Palmas Marina.
Las Palmas Marina?
Yeah, or Puerto Deportivo.
Gotcha, seems like I had like 3 or 4 different names. Thank you. Anyways, I made it, I'm in the right spot. So I got a little more ways to walk, but I'm here at like I guess the main welcome center place. Unbelievable amount of sailboats. Thursday the 17th, and I'm still at Las Palmas, Gran Canaries. So all the shipping containers and the big boys out there, and then over here is all the sailboats. Well, a lot of the sailboats, at least for this marina. Yeah, so I just got up today and took some time lapse and watched the sunrise, and it's been awesome. Every single day has just been busy and just go. So let's see, both days. Day before yesterday, I think that's when Peter arrived. He's from the UK, or no, he arrived the day before that. And then day before yesterday, Julia from Norway, she arrived. And then yesterday, Lucia and Will from the UK arrived. So we've got 4 or 5 crew members, including me. And we've been doing a little bit of boat projects. Darren's been organizing some of the food stuff. So a few times the food got delivered, so kind of putting that away. And after we kind of got Lucia and Will settled in yesterday, we had an awesome hike. Basically, we're on a mountain biking trail, and it was getting pretty rough. All right, ladies. Don't fall. Camera's rolling. You made it look so easy. Go get a little exercise and see some of the farms and kind of get out of this area. And we ended up in a cool little town called Terror, Terror, which was awesome. Everything's been great. It's beautiful here. The weather's nice. The crew seems nice so far. Looking forward to it. Just awesome, unbelievable. Very fortunate to be here. Very lucky to be in Spain and in an island and about to cross the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, that's awesome. So, a great part of the ARC is the support staff, otherwise known as the Yellow Shirts. They helped us with safety, routing, events, registration, tracking, and other necessities for a successful passage. I was fortunate enough to get a quick interview with an awesome lady who helped us out with multiple times. She shares a little bit more information about the ARC.
Okay, hello, hi, my name is Suede. I am one of the Yellow Shirts, and we are here to support the ARC, and here in Las Palmas, which is the start of ARC 2022. This is actually the 37th edition of the ARC, so it's been running for many, many years. And currently this year we have 144 boats. They will depart here from Las Palmas on Sunday. Most boats will take between sort of 2 to 3 weeks to cross, and the finish line is going to be in Rodney Bay in St. Lucia. The team here, we're about 19 Yellow Shirts. We're all boat owners, so we've all been through the same situations and feelings as you guys. And we also fly over to St. Lucia, and we'll take your lines in Rodney Bay.
So the first few days in Gran Canaria, Spain were good, but very, very busy. I think the crew would agree with me when I say the boat was just not ready. We only had a few days to address all the safety requirements for the ARC, shop for food, check off a long list of boat jobs that our skipper Adam had prepared after the boat was delivered a few weeks prior. The list was very, very long, way longer than it should have been. The bottom line is that poor planning and years of not updating things such as lines, sails, equipment, etc. made for a busy week of work to get the boat ready for an ocean passage. At times, we didn't even think we'd be able to set sail on day one, but we tried our best to stay positive, optimistic, and do what we could to make it happen. All right, it's a bit of organized chaos. Is that what it's called? I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind. It's really windy here today. 11/19 Saturday. We've got people going to the Chandri, which is like the marine hardware store, for some pipe and some other things. We got guys going up the mast right now. Tom's up the mast. We got some folks going to get provisioning food. We leave tomorrow, believe it or not, but we're gonna make it. You know, Darren's been real good with helping us to get to this point, and then Adam, he's checking everything off the list and delegating jobs, and we're all it's good teamwork. So hopefully we can leave on Sunday. We'll see. But anyways, back to more boat projects. This is where they put the American. Why are you punishing me like that? Ritz.
Look at the end. Look at that end. It's fucked.
I know.
That splice, where they did the splice.
Well, I don't even think the chain would hold.
Yeah, I don't know, mate. Fuck this. Yeah, because look at that. Fuck me.
This came off of Columbus's boat. Santa Maria.
When we invaded you, first time.
Alright, put that up there. And let's go get Adam.
Yeah, so I reckon they've got about that much, haven't they?
Yeah, they made it me, didn't they?
Yeah.
We got loads, so fuck it, let's just do it properly.
Well, it needs to be cut, unless you want to cut it when it's up there. If we've got two pieces like this.
I'll cut it when it's up there.
Yeah, okay. Blue's off at the moment, you comfortable?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Let's get you down quickly then.
How is it up there?
It's cold.
It's cold?
I lost feeling in my bollocks.
This is like day 3 or 4, and it's been non-stop. Boat work, safety, food. We're getting there. We've came a long way in just a couple of days. This morning, we all got our life jackets squared away. We got to do a briefing, but all the safety stuff, emergency bilge pumps, electric shut off, propane gas shut off, seat cocks. The skipper, Adam, is with my bunkmate, Tom, and they're getting passports sorted. And I think Peter and Darren, I think they're off to get some stuff to fix some sails. And I think, Lucia, Jenny, Julie, and Will are getting some food plans going. I'm not sure. I don't know where Tom was. Tom's been great too. He's been, or not Tom, John. John was working. He did something with the fuel, and he's doing some mechanic stuff. So that's cool. We've all just been working hard, working together. It's been great. So let's see what the rest of the crew's doing.
So when they're setting like a dinner, like a chili down, do you want couscous with the chili or rice? I prefer couscous, it's easy to cook.
Oh, right, let's go for that.
Yeah.
I think this is the cover.
Is that the
It's washed, yeah. Yes, he brought it back. Yes.
Sure it's washed.
Yes.
Oh, it looks,
He took it, and it looks a lot better than it did.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so you know, it's.
I'll put it over here.
When we've done the list,
You want to give us an update of what you guys are doing?
We are planning all the meals and writing the world's biggest shopping list.
Kind of eats together. That's kind of the fun bit. Any excuse to have a party? Do we have any? We don't do. When's your birthday?
No, not anytime
Nothing
soon.
useful. No one's got anything useful.
Would you like?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. There's the happy hour bit here. That's quite good. So any excuse to have a party. I've written here ship's log every hour on the hour. New page at 0-100 each day. GMT is a constant.
Have we got a ship's clock?
Oh, Adam? I don't know. I think he's just working on our sailing plan.
Okay, time to meet the crew. We have Jenny from the UK, Tom from the UK, Peter, also from the UK, John from Canada, Will from the UK, Lucia, also from the UK, Julie from Norway, and that's me, Terry from USA. And last but not least, Adam, our captain from the UK. All right, Skipper's really busy. We're going to get some thoughts.
Hey, buddy.
Day one.
How are we doing?
Good. What are you thinking?
Shitload to do. Not much time to do it in before we depart. But hey, that's always the way. Final check on weather. It's gonna be a rolly. It's gonna be a fast few days. And to quote Vinnie Jones, to misquote Vinnie Jones in the last few lines of the popular cult film Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels, it's gonna be emotional.
Awesome. Day one of, the 20th. Day one. We'll say day one once we get past the start. Past the starting line.
Day one.
Up next, we set sail across the Atlantic Ocean for 22 days and over 3,300 nautical miles of sailing. Lots of broken parts, spilt honey, and other adventures, but all smiles from the Kulu crew as we make our way to our final destination of beautiful St. Lucia.